everyone, thank you so much for tuning in to yet another RV tour. It is yours truly, it's Heidi here with RV Roadway of Calera in Opelika, Alabama. Today, me and you are standing in the brand spanking new 2026 Palomino Puma 28 BHSS. If you have a larger family and you need more sleeping space to accommodate the kiddos and maybe their friends, this floor plan is going to have a rear private bunkhouse. You'll have your main bedroom and bathroom up front and a large living area. Palomino Puma is personally one of my favorite metal side travel trailers. This floor plan right here has so much to offer. Palomino Puma is a great brand, one of my favorite brands, and I'm very excited to show you this new 2026 Palomino Puma, so let's get on into it. Right, guys, so we will get started on the exterior and then we will work our way to the interior. The interstate is right there, so I hope you guys can hear me well. Up front, you are going to have your front cap where you will find your electric tongue jack. You will find your house for two 30-pound propane tanks. Your battery disconnect will be right here. No, I lied to you. Battery disconnect's right there. Your battery bank will be right in here. You have a metal rock guard plate to protect your unit from the debris of the road. This is a wood-framed, aluminum-sided unit. You got two entry-exit doors on your campsite with an electric-powered awning. You do have your storage right here that you can access. The tripod does not come with it. You do have 4 electric stabilizing jacks on all 4 corners, which is a nice plus to have. You'll have more ride solid step over step on both entry doors. Exterior speakers. You do have an exterior TV bracket right here with the proper satellite connection with the outlets to go with it. Dual axle on this unit. Coming on down on your campsite, you will have an exterior outdoor kitchen. And the cool thing about this outdoor kitchen is you can unlatch it and you don't have to worry about grease or any type of residue popping off in your outdoor kitchen area. You can pull it out and get that grill out here in the open. You will have a dump sink right there. Pretty awesome. And you get an outdoor Everchill mini refrigerator to go with that. And then to go into road mode, all you gotta do is latch it back. You even have a little pull-out drawer right there. This unit is sitting sideways on the ground, so that's why it's doing that. It's not level. Your rear stabilizing jacks, and coming on down the rear of the coach, you'll see it does come with a spare tire. It comes with a ladder leading up to that roof to service it every 90 days. And it is prepped for a backup camera. All you gotta do is purchase that and slap it on there. On your non-camp side, you will see that this is a 50 amp electric unit. There's going to be your living kitchen slide out right there. And then let's go over here and talk numbers. You also do get a on-demand tankless hot water heater right here next to your hot, cold outdoor shower. City water connection can be found right here. Dry weight 7,706 pounds. Your length is 36 foot 10 inches. GVWR is 9,063 pounds, and your cargo carrying capacity should never exceed 1,319 pounds. What do you say we go check out the inside? Let's go. Now that we are on the inside of the 28 BHSS, obviously here is your door where you are greeted with some hooks right here to hang some stuff, maybe your purse, maybe your jacket, maybe a blanket. You have your control panel right here to the left as soon as you enter in. Check the status of your battery, check the status of your tanks, water pump, water heater, all your lights, your slide, and your awning. Your water heater temperature, no, this is like, just set the temperature of your water heater, go take a shower. You can find that right there. That is a 42,000 BTU. Provides optimal performance for RV plumbing. 12 volt power that operates less than 3 amps with your Girard on-demand tankless hot water heater. Now, taking a look at everything else, you will see you'll get one main large slide out in your kitchen living area. You will get a U-shaped dinette. As you can see, it is dropped down right now. You can sleep additional campers right here, guys. And then you can raise that table up and have your eating space. Blackout roller shades all across the coach, and you do get storage underneath your dinette. Nice. I love the brown leather. It looks really good. You have a jackknife sofa right here to sleep even more additional campers with storage above and below as well. So there's that. You do have some lights right here on a switch, and you got your USB-C outlet right there. Now, turning around and taking a look at the kitchen, guys, my favorite thing about Palomino Puma is the appliances that they put in their trailers. Oversized, massive Greystone oven right here. You don't ever really see ovens this big in a travel trailer. You get that in the Palomino Puma. You'll get a 3-burner cooktop to go with it, along with your Greystone oven hood range vent with your Greystone microwave. You'll have your single basin farmhouse style undermounted sink with a high rise pull-out faucet right here. It comes with a built-in cutting board. You will get this new Furrion style refrigerator right here. You can open this refrigerator from either side. So if you're coming from the bunkhouse, open it that way. If you're coming from your master bedroom, you can open it this way. Just make sure that it's closed on both sides before you go to open it, or the door will fall off. You do get a larger refrigerator too. You can kind of see how, not refrigerator, freezer. You can see how deep down that goes. Good freezer there. And then of course you will get a freestanding pantry to put away all your snacks and food. Now, right across the way, you do have your electric fireplace with a built-in IRV sound system on the interior as well as the exterior, and your TV backer can be found right there. Now, going to check out this bunkhouse in the rear. It is a very spacious bunkhouse. I really do like the floor plan in here and the little setup that you get. You'll get 2 upper bunks. These are going to be single bunk over bunk teddy bear series mattress. So a total of 3 bunks. And then you get another jackknife sofa to sleep maybe 1 to 2 more smaller kids, which is really nice. So kid right here, there and there. That's up to 4. Plus the U-shaped dinette can hold to 2. And then you got the other jackknife sofa. So guys, lots of sleeping space in here. You do have a place to put maybe a computer or a TV right here. Got some linen storage for your clothes and your accessories. You'll have some outlet connection hookups right there. Your fuse box is right here. Spacious little bunkhouse for your kiddos to have some space. Now, making our way to the rear of the coach is where your main bathroom is going to be at. You do have your own entry exit door going into this bathroom as well, so that's nice. Spacious bathroom. U-shaped little cornered shower right there. Bathroom vent fan skylight in there for additional headroom. And then, of course, you'll have your foot flush corner toilet with your sink vanity. And, of course, you do get a medicine cabinet to go with it. So opening that up, it goes all the way up to the ceiling. So it's kind of tall. And then you'll get some storage right here and right there. And you got your built-in toilet paper holder. GFCI outlets for razors, shavers, and other things. And then you got your little bar soap holder right there. And coming to check out this queen master suite you get. Spacious in here as well with your own AC unit. Oh, it feels amazing. Wow, I love that. Check that out. That's the GE. You're going to have GE ACs in here. That's going to be 2 ACs in the 28 BHSS. It is prepped for a 3rd, I think. I need to verify that. You got some hanging space right there. I really like the whole entire built-in end table right here on top of the storage down below. Really cool for CPAP machines. You do got some reading lights above your head and storage above and beside your head. Got windows in here as well for some natural lighting. Really loving it. It looks good. Of course, your AC is ducted, of course, too, on a racetrack style system. So you'll have AC pumping through the whole coach like you do your house. It does come with 2 ACs, and it is not prepped for a third from what I can see. So, guys, tell me what you think about the 2026 Palomino Puma 28 BHSS. This is a great family floor plan if you're wanting to get into camping. Palomino Pumas are always fantastic. They've been around a long time, guys. These guys know what they're doing, and they make great campers. This 28 BHSS is located and available at both of our locations in Calera and Opelika, Alabama, guys. I thank you so very much for taking the time to go through this RV with me. It has been a pleasure. I have our information up on the screen. With any further questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out. I would love to hear your feedback, as everything is done by yours truly. Until next time, guys, we will see you then.